And opulence, that's for sure.
Mm-hmm.
I guess the original lavatory is no longer there. That's what they used to call a bathroom. Oh, early kerosene lamp. Oh. Probably the early UGA campus in Athens. I guess they have the office in one house, in one room. Hang on. Well, that's a granite fireplace. Oh, here you can tell this is early glass. Because to the actual naked eye, this glass is warped, so that means it's hand pressed. The windows have since been replaced, and actually they need a bit of, they need some paint work. Huh. Somebody had a fire going in here. At one point, there's ash still on the ground. Worth it. Totally worth it. Hang on, I think they let you walk through here. Now, hang on, would this have been like a water?
It could have been a water pitcher.
I think they allow you.
And those are water outlets. Yeah.
Office, never mind that. Just a quick peek through here. Yeah.
Okay.
That's a pretty clock. That's big enough for the end of this, so yeah.
What fun.
See y'all later.
Is the elevator?
Yeah, hang on, I'm just trying to get looking down.
Oh, thought you want a picture of me.
No, it's the same. Here, I'm zooming in on you, is that good? Hello.
Hello.
Thank you for bringing me here.
Oh, you're quite welcome. What a nice surprise. Now let's go finish the art exhibit.
Here, hold on.
Okay.
Got ya. See y'all later.